Hi everyone. I just want to go over the normality analysis in SPSS and the issue that I and two of my friends had. Looks like there is an error in the install of the normality analysis extension in SPSS 31. And it so happened that I installed the extension. I was showing to my professor to go over the independent variable normality analysis, and I couldn't start. So if you could quickly go over what it is. So the normality analysis, I googled, was introduced in SPSS version 30 as a extension in the extension hub. It analyzes the points if they follow the normal bell curve or follow the normal distribution. It's very interesting, the normality analysis for both univariate and multivariate tests of normality for two or more variables. So very interesting. So I take it is that for MANOVA, we better run the multivariate test for normality, just to make sure that everything is correct under the normal distribution. It also does outlier analysis, which is very interesting, multiple test statistics it shows, of course, and the plots, of course. And to get the normality analysis, we have to go to the extension hub, which I went. So and this is the issue. On Windows, I guess there are no arrows, but on Macs, that's an error. So I tried to install the extension, and it gave me that package was installed, and there is one error. So when I opened it up, it wasn't working, and this is the error. It was saying that some sort of MVN package is required in R. So okay, I got 31, I got Python, I got R, so I went and I installed the packages. So I ran the packages, didn't help. So installing the MVN doesn't really click with extension. So I went and researched on the website, IBM websites, and they do say that for Macs there is installation error. So the recommendation was uninstall normality analysis from extension hub, close all of the statistics applications, unzip a file. By the way, you can get it on their website. This is the link, but just Google. Open the zip directory. Then they say, there is a MVN copy data table. So we have to change the permissions. Then we have to execute the script, open the statistical package, or install normality analysis in extension hub, and it should work. So here we go. I guess it brought me up. I was laughing with my friends. It brought me up to the Unix or the Linux or the command line, right? So when I downloaded the package, I did it with I renamed the package 31, so I CD to it. I took a look at the permissions, and it was so interesting. This came up with a download package. This came up as all access, right? So the all executables under user group and others, I guess they did as a group, as a staff from the IBM, and this is the how many bytes. So I was looking and looking, and I still shamarted to give the permissions to execute for everyone. And then I ran, then I I executed the script from this MVN copy data table .sh, and it worked. So after doing this, updating the R MVN through the command line, I was able to reinstall Normality Analysis from the extension hub, and it worked. I hope it helps. Two of my friends, we actually, for 3 days, we had a little bit of a dilemma why we cannot use it. But I just want to conclude, so it's good for 2 or more variables if you need to, and it's good for univariate and multivariate tests of normality. Very interesting. Thank you, guys.